Hello friends. So in this video we will see how we can retrieve query string present in a URL of any web application. Web application can be in Ionic or simple HTML web app. I am doing currently in Ionic web application, but this will work in any JavaScript application. So let's start coding, and when the page load, ng on init will execute. So we'll write the code inside ng on init. So inside ng on init we'll first read the URL, and then we are doing some split method to retrieve the query string. So let's start and we will see how we can do this. First declare a obj variable of type object, any type object, because we will store all the query string in as a key value pair inside obj, and we will print in on the HTML to view all the key value pair. So let's say URL is of like this. We will just for example, and let's retrieve the URL location dot href. So it will return the URL. So basically in the start we have to split from question mark. So let's declare a array, and URL dot split will with question mark will return array of two elements. First one is this and second one is this. So basically we need second one. So let's check second one is exist or not, means query string is exist or not. So if it exists, if block will be execute, and let's split with and. So it will return another array, and array one dot split with and. So it will also return array. If this is the URL, then it will return the index, means three elements of array. First one is this, second one is this, third one is this. So let's loop with array one for var I equal to 0, I less than array 1 dot length I plus plus. So inside this loop we have every time this element, this element, this element. So we have to split this time with is equal to. So it will also return a array. So let's declare another array with array 2 and array 1 I dot split with is equal to. So obviously key is array 2 0 and value is array 2 1. Let's this dot obj set key as a key inside obj and value will be val. So when this loop executes, all the query string inside obj as key value pair. So let's print this in HTML as a JSON data. So we are on HTML, and let's declare a bold tag, HTML tag, and inside let's print as a JSON. So when the page loads, we will see the object of query string. So let's say this is the URL, and let's load this, and you can see a colon 1 b colon 2. So we have every query string in this object. So it's working. I hope you like this. If you like this, please share the video, like the video, subscribe the channel, And please wait, we'll back soon with some another video. And thanks for your time. Thank you.